Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe and join the family because I would love to have you here. So as you can see from the title below, today we're going to dive into everything lashes. I know that applying falsies can be very intimidating at times. So today I wanted to share all my tips and tricks on how you can apply your lashes perfectly every single time. So I hope you find this video helpful. With that being said, I also want to say a huge thank you to Velour Lashes for sponsoring today's video. You guys already know that I love Velour. I literally only use their lashes in all of my content organically, so I'm really excited to be working with them on today's video. Make sure you guys go ahead and use my code Jasmine Egal for 20% off at checkout, save you some coin, and help you get a new pair of lashes for your next slay, okay? So you already know the drill. Get comfortable, grab your matcha, grab your snackses, and let's get to it. So the great thing about Velour is that they have a bunch of different lash styles depending on your preference, on how natural you want your lashes to look, or how dramatic and glam you want your lashes to look, or if you're someone who doesn't like to trim your lashes or struggles with trimming your lashes to match your eye shape. They even have some styles that are already trimmed for you, so it makes things a lot easier. But today I'm going to start off with a pair of lashes from my favorite collection from Velour, and that is their Vegan Luxe Lash Collection. But today I'm going to be taking a style that I haven't actually used in a while. This is in the style Wispy Me Away. These lashes are weightless, soft to the touch, and each pair you can reuse up to 25 times. So you can get a lot of wear out of these lashes, and that's why I feel like they're so worth it. So I just wanted to get a little closer. So once you take out your pair of lashes, you're gonna go ahead and just put it on your lid just to get a feel of that lash style and see how it fits on your eye shape. Then based on that, you can go ahead and see if the lashes needs to be trimmed at the end or how much you need to trim off, because the last thing you want to do is just leave your lashes how they came in the packaging, because it can just look really big and long at the ends, which is not cute. And I can tell that I need to cut off maybe just one little area at the end just to make it fit my eyelid. I'm gonna go ahead and take my little lash scissors, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just trim right at the end. And now I'm gonna go ahead and apply it onto the lid. This is the part that I know a lot of you guys get nervous about, but step one, you're gonna need a good lash glue. Now I'm not just saying this just to say, because of course we are using all Velour products here. This is the only lash glue that I can use on my lid because I have very sensitive eyes, and it's the only one that keeps my lashes in place all day long without burning my eyelids. So if you have very sensitive eyes and you're looking to try a new lash glue, Velour is where it's at. So I'm gonna go ahead, take my lash, and then just apply a layer of the lash glue. And then I like to take a little more glue and focus it on the inner and outer corners of my lash, and then like right in the center, just to make sure it's extra secure, okay? And you're gonna give that a second to dry and get a little tacky. Gonna do the same thing on my other lash. And now that it's a little tacky, I can go ahead and apply it on. Now, personally for me, I just go ahead and apply my lashes with my hand. But if that is a little complicated for you, you can go ahead and get a lash applicator tool to help you kind of get your lashes in place. I would honestly recommend using this if you're a beginner to applying falsies. So then you can just go ahead and just apply it exactly where you need it to go. Stick on that other end, and then stick on your inner corner. And then what I like to do is once I apply them on my lid, I just like to press it in. Normally, of course, I would have some mascara on before I apply my falsies so everything blends in seamlessly. But since I want to show you a few different lash styles and how to apply them on, I'm just gonna save some mascara until our final lash style is applied, just so it doesn't look as clumpy every time we remove the falsies. And then what I like to do is make sure I press that lash more in the inner corner so it stays in place. And it really is that easy. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the other lash now. And this is how I like to do it with my hand. And then sometimes I just like to go in with a little bit of a liquid liner right in the inner corner so that it can blend in with my lash band, because as you can see, the lash band is very nice and dark. So this gives it more of like a seamless look. That's just something that I prefer to do, a little tip or trick, and it's really the smallest thing, but it makes the biggest difference. And as you can see, it just looks so nice and seamless. You can do it as thin of a line or as thick of a line as you want, or just even go in with a full wing. And of course there would be more fire and pop in if I had some mascara on, but we move on. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the other lash and be right back. Okay, can we just take a moment to appreciate how fire these lashes are? I mean, it's giving perfection. It's so pretty. Again, this is the Wispy Me Away lash style from the Vegan Luxe Lash Collection. This collection is for my girls who love a glam slay, who want their lashes to be the moment. This collection is the one that you're gonna want to check out, okay? And I'm gonna put you on to another lash style from Velour where you don't have to trim the lashes. It's already prepped and ready to go for you. So that's what we're gonna go ahead and do now. All right, lashes are off and we're gonna be going into, like I mentioned, our next lash style that you don't have to trim. Now this is from Velour's Effortless Lash Collection, and all of Velour's lashes are vegan and cruelty-free, which we love. And today's lash style is called Final Touch, and I just love that at the back of the packaging it says no trimming, no measuring, no drama. I don't even know why I've never used this collection before, especially on my day-to-day when I'm in a rush and I still want a little bit of a lash, because you guys know I got some struggle natural lashes, okay? So this would have helped a lot of the time. I'm gonna go ahead and just apply a thin layer of lash glue and pop them on so that you guys can see what they look like. Okay, wait guys, why have I been sleeping on this collection? Oh my god, that was actually so easy to do. I'm shook. I think this is so beautiful for like an everyday lash. This lash style is really good for those of you guys who are beginners, and you can reuse them up to 20 times. And I really feel like it made my eye shape pop without doing too much. Like, I'm obsessed. I think I just found a new favorite lash style. So if you guys see me abusing this, don't judge me, okay? Because this is everything. Now the next lash style that we're gonna try is a part of Velour's Magnetic Lash Collection. This is their Magnetic Effortless Lash Collection, actually. So it is guaranteed comfort and has strong hold magnets, and you don't need to trim it. So you can apply it on instantly. Now, I'm very intrigued. This is gonna be like a first impressions as well, because I have never tried a magnetic lash. I've seen a few videos on TikTok, so I thought it would be fun for us to try it on today as well. Now this lash style I feel like would be really cool for those of you guys who prefer to go in with like a wing liner, or if a wing liner is like your daily thing. If you go in with Velour's Lash and Go, this is their 3-in-1 magnetic eyeliner and lash adhesive. So this is your liquid liner and lash glue all in one. So you don't have to worry about doing 2 steps. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this a try. And the style we're taking today is called Opposites Attract. This is what it looks like. It's cute, and I love that it's another lash that I don't have to trim, because so far I'm really digging the effortless / convenience of not having to trim the lashes. I'm gonna go ahead and just focus and apply a really thin line. And now that we have that liner on, I'm gonna go ahead with my magnetic lash. I'm super excited to see how this looks like on my eyes, guys. I'm gonna use my hands because I prefer to use my hands. It's a lot easier for me than the lash applicator, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, and this is what the magnetic lash looks like on. I just enjoy trying new products. I thought it was so cool how quickly it just sticked on to the eyeliner. So if you are a liner girl, like I said, definitely check out these lashes because I think you would find them super, super convenient. So now we're gonna move on to the final lash style from Velour that I really want to show you guys. And it's actually a plant fiber lashes. Now this is a part of Velour's hemp-derived lashes. Now what I thought was really cool on the back of the packaging, it mentions Velour's plant fiber unique benefits. It's 100% cruelty-free, derived from hemp. It's an ultra fluffy and wispy material. They're lightweight lashes designed for all-day wear. You can use them up to 20 times. They have a thin cotton lash band, easily molds to your eye shape. So you do have to measure and trim these lashes to fit your eye shape. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that really quickly off camera. And the lashes I'm taking today are so pretty, guys. They're in the style Cloud 9. All right, guys, and this is what the final lash looks like on. I feel like I've discovered a new favorite. I know I've been saying that for every lash we tried today, but if I had to choose like my top 2, I would definitely have to say it would be Cloud 9 as number 1 because it is giving perfection. I love this lash style. I think it's so pretty. And then my second favorite would have to be Final Touch from the Effortless collection because I just love the convenience of not having to trim my lashes. And yeah, guys, that brings me to the end of this video. I hope you found it super helpful and you've learned some new tips and tricks to make your next lash slay super easy and super convenient. And the main goal of today's video was honestly just to show you guys how easy and how not intimidating applying falsies can be. I did go in with some mascara this time just to have my lashes, you know, blend in with my falsies. And I took this mascara from Velour as well. This is their Pretty Big Deal Peptide and Tubing Mascara. It's a 3-in-1 lash serum, lash shield, and a mascara. But yeah, if you made it all the way to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. Also, thank you so much to Velour for sponsoring today's video. You know, we are big velour stands over here. The love is real. So shout out to them again. I also have a giveaway currently going on with velour in honor of my birthday on my TikTok. So make sure you guys go ahead and click the TikTok video in the description box below. All you have to do to enter is you have to be based in the US and Canada. I'm gonna be choosing 2 winners to win some velour lashes. All you have to do is be subscribed to my channel, follow me on TikTok, save that TikTok video, and leave a comment in that video letting me know what your favorite velour lash style is or a lash that you would like to try. It's really that simple. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of my uploads. And like always, I'll see you guys in my next video.